Imagine this. You're sipping coffee, scrolling through life, when bam, your bank account pings with an extra $2,000. No boss, number 9 to 5, just pure, unadulterated cash flow. How? Faceless. YouTube. Automation. Buckle up, because I'm about to spill the sizzling secrets to making that dream your reality in 2025. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for this goldmine. Let's cut the fluff. YouTube's a cash cow, raking in billions, and you're about to snag your slice, without ever showing your face. I's the wizard here, churning out videos faster than a caffeinated squirrel on a treadmill. Think faceless channels like Planet Unleashed or TechBit, millions of views, 0 selfies. Here's the kicker. You don't need to be a tech genius or a camera hog. I does the heavy lifting, scripts, voiceovers, editing, while you sip that coffee and watch the dollars roll in. Step 1. Niche it up. Pick something evergreen. Think weird history facts or space mysteries. AI tools like ChatGPT spit out scripts packed with juicy hooks. Think the alien signal NASA can't explain. Step 2. Voiceovers. Clone a silky smooth voice with AI, 11 labs or Descript, and make viewers lean in closer. Step 3. Visuals. Stock footage, AI animations, Canva or Pictories got you covered. Slap it together, upload, and boom, faceless money making magic. Numbers don't lie. Top faceless channels pull $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 a month. You? Start small, scale fast. 1 video a day, optimized with clickbait titles. Think, earn cash while sleeping, seriously. And YouTube's algorithm becomes your personal hype man. AdSense, affiliates, courses. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. The secret sauce? Consistency and AI's relentless hustle. No burnout, no excuses, just profits. So, grab your laptop, fire up that AI, and let's turn 2025 into your year of unstoppable, faceless wealth. Ready? Go. In today's digital age, earning a substantial income online has never been more accessible, and one of the most promising avenues is through YouTube automation. Imagine generating $2,000 monthly without ever showing your face on camera. This is not just a dream, it's a reality for many who have tapped into the power of AI-driven faceless content creation. YouTube automation allows creators to produce videos efficiently, leveraging artificial intelligence to handle everything from scriptwriting to video editing. The significance of AI in this process cannot be overstated. It streamlines content creation, making it easier for anyone, regardless of technical skills, to produce high-quality videos. With AI tools, you can generate engaging scripts, create stunning visuals, and even optimize your videos for search engines, all without needing to be on camera. What's more, starting this venture is incredibly straightforward. With just a computer and an internet connection, you can dive into the world of YouTube automation. So, if you're looking for a way to earn money online, this could be your golden opportunity. Understanding YouTube automation. YouTube automation refers to the process of creating and managing YouTube channels with minimal direct involvement from the creator. This approach allows content creators to focus on strategy and growth while leveraging various tools and technologies to handle the nitty-gritty of video production. The benefits are numerous. It saves time, reduces the need for on-camera presence, and can lead to consistent income generation without the traditional demands of content creation. AI plays a crucial role in streamlining video production within this framework. From generating scripts to editing videos and even optimizing titles and descriptions for better visibility, AI tools can significantly enhance efficiency. This means that creators can produce high-quality content at a faster pace, allowing them to scale their channels more effectively. However, successful YouTube automation hinges on one critical factor: niche selection. Choosing the right niche is essential for attracting a dedicated audience and ensuring that your content resonates with viewers. By focusing on a specific area of interest, you can tailor your automated content to meet the needs and preferences of your target audience, ultimately driving engagement and growth. Choosing the right niche. Selecting a profitable niche is a crucial step in building a successful YouTube channel. To start, it's essential to identify trending topics that not only attract viewers but also have the potential to generate revenue. Popular niches often include technology, personal finance, health and wellness, and lifestyle, but staying updated on emerging trends can give you an edge. Next, conducting thorough research on audience interests and competition is vital. Understanding what your target audience is passionate about will help you create content that resonates with them. Analyze existing channels in your chosen niche to see what works and what doesn't. This insight can guide your content strategy and help you carve out your unique space in the market. To aid in your niche analysis and content planning, consider using tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, or vidIQ. These platforms provide valuable data on search volume, competition, and trending keywords, allowing you to make informed decisions. By carefully selecting a niche based on research and analysis, you can set the foundation for a thriving YouTube automation venture that attracts viewers and drives revenue. Content creation strategies. Creating engaging faceless videos requires a thoughtful approach to content and presentation. One effective strategy is to explore various content formats that work well for faceless channels. Options like animated explainer videos, slideshow presentations, and voiceover tutorials can captivate audiences without the need for on-camera appearances. These formats allow you to convey information in a visually appealing way while keeping the focus on the content itself. Incorporating AI tools can significantly enhance your content creation process. Utilizing AI for scriptwriting can help you generate compelling narratives that resonate with your audience. Additionally, AI-powered video editing software can streamline the editing process, allowing you to produce polished videos quickly and efficiently. Creativity is key when presenting information without showing faces. Consider using engaging visuals, infographics, and dynamic transitions to keep viewers interested. You can also leverage storytelling techniques to create a narrative that draws viewers in, even without a personal touch. By combining innovative content formats, AI tools, and creative presentation methods, you can develop faceless videos that not only inform but also entertain, leading to a successful YouTube automation journey. Monetization methods. Monetizing a faceless YouTube channel can be achieved through several effective methods, starting with YouTube's partner program. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, which includes having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you can enable ads on your videos. This allows you to generate revenue through ad placements, providing a steady income stream as your channel grows. Another lucrative option is affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services relevant to your niche, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your unique affiliate links. This method not only diversifies your income but also aligns well with your content, enhancing viewer trust and engagement. Additionally, sponsorship opportunities can arise as your channel gains traction. Brands may approach you to promote their products, providing another revenue source while allowing you to maintain your faceless approach. However, the key to successful monetization lies in building a loyal audience. Engaging content that resonates with viewers fosters community and encourages them to support your channel through subscriptions, shares, and purchases. A dedicated audience is essential for maximizing your monetization potential and ensuring long-term success. Promoting your channel. Effectively promoting a faceless YouTube channel is essential for growing your audience and increasing visibility. One of the best ways to share your content is through social media platforms. Consider using Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to post snippets of your videos, behind-the-scenes content, or engaging graphics that link back to your channel. These platforms can help you reach a broader audience and drive traffic to your videos. Collaboration with other creators is another powerful strategy. By partnering with fellow YouTubers in your niche, you can tap into their audience and expand your reach. Collaborative videos or shout-outs can introduce your channel to new viewers who may be interested in your content, fostering community and engagement. Additionally, understanding the importance of SEO in video visibility cannot be overlooked. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve your chances of appearing in search results. Creating eye-catching thumbnails and engaging video content will also encourage viewers to click and watch. By combining social media promotion, collaborations, and effective SEO strategies, you can significantly enhance the visibility of your Faceless YouTube channel and attract a loyal audience. Analyzing performance. Tracking and analyzing the performance of your videos is crucial for understanding what works and what doesn't on your Faceless YouTube channel. YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool that provides valuable insights into your channel's performance. Key metrics to focus on include watch time, audience retention, click-through rate, and subscriber growth. These metrics help you gauge how well your content resonates with viewers and identify areas for improvement. In addition to quantitative data, viewer feedback and engagement play a significant role in performance analysis. Pay attention to comments, likes, and shares, as they provide direct insights into what your audience enjoys. Engaging with your viewers through comments can also foster a sense of community and encourage more interaction with your content. Continuous improvement based on performance data is essential for long-term success. Regularly review your analytics to identify trends and patterns, and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Experiment with different formats, topics, and posting schedules to see what yields the best results. By leveraging YouTube Analytics, valuing viewer feedback, and committing to ongoing improvement, you can enhance your channel's performance and grow your audience effectively. In summary, achieving $2,000 monthly through YouTube automation is an attainable goal when you follow the right steps. Start by selecting a profitable niche that aligns with trending topics and audience interests. Utilize AI tools to streamline your content creation process, making it easier to produce engaging faceless videos. Remember to explore various monetization methods, including YouTube's partner program, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships, to diversify your income streams. The potential of AI in simplifying content creation cannot be overstated. By leveraging these technologies, you can enhance your efficiency and focus on growing your channel without the stress of traditional video production. As you embark on this journey, we encourage you to take action. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights on YouTube automation and content creation strategies. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Together, we can build a community of aspiring creators ready to unlock the potential of faceless YouTube channels. Your journey to success starts now, so take the first step today.